March is a great month to plant flower and vegetable gardens due to the longer, warmer days. There is a wide range of seeds that can be sown in March, both those that need to be started indoors and those that can be planted outside once all danger of frost has passed. In this video, we present our best efforts to pick the top 7 flowers for a March garden. Number 1. Pulmonaria Purba. The common name for this lovely perennial with its tiny flowers comes from the misconception that its spotted leaves resemble the organs of the lungs. It is one of the first of its kind to bloom, making it an important food source for bees and other pollinating insects. When planted in shaded regions, it serves as an excellent ground cover. In zones 5 to 8, this plant does well. Number 2. Flowering Quince. This underappreciated, low-maintenance shrub blooms for weeks in early spring with bright orange flame flowers that sit atop bare branches. They bear fruit late in the summer, typically in green or yellow, that can be transformed into a sweet jelly. Unpruned, it develops into a magnificently airy, huge shrub. It can be trained and clipped to grow against a wall in partial shade. The flowering quince can survive in zones 4 through 8. Number 3. Pasque Flower. This early spring bloomer is another gorgeous perennial, producing silky flower buds that eventually open to reveal deep purple flowers. As the petals fade, they transform into gorgeous seed heads and fern-like leaves with a silvery sheen. The foliage adds visual appeal far beyond the flowering period. It can survive in temperate zones 4 to 8. Number 4. Buffalo Currant. In March, this plant begins to bloom with tiny yellow blooms that have a pleasant, spicy fragrance. When the leaves change to their rich red-purple fall colors, it's a sight to behold, especially when paired with the deep purple crocuses that grow at its feet. They require soil that is moist yet drains well. In zones 4 to 8, buffalo currant thrives. Number 5. Spring Pea. One of the first perennials to bloom, it features an abundance of slender stems that, once opening, display a profusion of tiny purple flowers. Flora in shades of scarlet, purple, and green decorate the dark green leaves. For rock gardens, they are a must-have. The ideal lighting conditions for this plant are either full sun or partial shade. 30-centimeter tall plant that can survive in zones 5 to 9. Number 6. Viburnum Tinus. The evergreen shrub can be utilized in a number of settings, including as a hedge, a standalone specimen, or a privacy screen, and it maintains its foliage year-round. The blossoms, which are initially a pinkish color but mature into a bright white, stand out beautifully against the backdrop provided by the plant's dense, dark, lustrous oval leaves. Zones 8 to 10 are ideal for cultivating Tinus viburnum. Number 7. Hellebore. These perennials are fantastic for offering continuous color for several weeks in the dead of winter and the first few weeks of spring. They bloom gracefully formed blooms atop big, dark green leaf clusters. They thrive in the shadier areas of the garden. This species is well known for its extended flowering cycle and lovely pinkish-green flowers, which complement a forest environment. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.